The best budget photo camera that you can take for your cycle rides is going to be your mobile phone. There isn't an option that really is going to beat it. Most phones and most people have a relatively up-to-date phone in the last 5 years of it coming out, and that is going to be your best option for cycle photography. It might be that your phone's really bad, but it might be that it's really good, as long as you understand the fundamentals of photography with the aperture, light, and everything else. You'll understand that it's not necessarily the camera you have on your bike ride. It's you as a person being able to take good or bad photos. And if you want to take it one step higher, use something like Lightroom or any photo editing app. I use Snapseed on my phone sometimes, which is just as good as Lightroom. It has all of the different options to change the exposure, shadows, white balance, the hues of colours, everything really. It's just another app that you can use to edit photos if you want to take your cycling photos to the next level. But if you want to take good photos, just practice with what you've got. Your phone is going to be good enough. And if you want to be even better, or you're already a photographer, get yourself a camera strap for your mirrorless camera, which I'm using to record right now, and attach it with a 3-point system. You'll have one strap here, one that goes around, and it will keep it in place. Because if you have just a normal camera strap that goes around with one connection, then it's not going to stay on you and it's going to fall off. And worst case, it'll fall by your legs and it'll get ruined and you might crash. But your best option for cycling photography on a budget is your mobile phone. You don't need expensive gear. But if you are a photographer, like I said, you have the option of many cameras. Basically, learn your photography skills and you'll just get better. And it doesn't matter what camera you use, it'll be just as good as anyone else's.